All right, you guys, these are the supplies that we're going to need to make our beach bag. We have a darning needle. We have our 9mm hook and our yarn of your choice. This is what I chose. I'll have everything listed in the description box for you guys so you know what kind of yarn and everything that I used. So let's just move this out of the way and let's get into our bag making. All right, you guys, so this is the body of the bag. How pretty. I just folded it. It's kind of long, so it doesn't fit all the way in the frame. So I just folded it in half so you guys can see, and the stitch that I used, you guys, was an extended single crochet. So I'm going to show you how to do that stitch right now, and I'll put that up there. And so I have everything ready. I'm using a 9mm hook, and let me slide that a little bit more so you'll be able to see. And we are going to do our extended single crochet. And so if you've been on the channel long enough, you guys know that this is one of my favorites. I use this stitch for basically almost everything. I really like it, depending on the project that I'm working on, which is the bag, because it is a beach bag. So we are going to be throwing things in here, you know, like our towels, and I know I usually have a good book with me and other things. So I wanted that little tightness in our stitches. So let me go ahead and show it to you. So you want to put your hook in the second chain from the hook. Let's do that, and then yarn over, bring up a loop just like a single crochet, and then you want to yarn over and go through one of the loops, and then you want to yarn over and go through all two, which is those two right there. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. So you want to do it just like a single crochet. I'm going to single crochet, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through one loop, yarn over, go through two loops. And that is your extended single crochet. And I love this stitch because you get the closeness of a single crochet, a tightness, and you get the height of a double crochet. That's why I really like this stitch. You get 2 in 1, right? And so with this stitch here, I made the body of the bag. And I just I changed colors because I wanted mine to be this way. And it came out so nice. I really enjoyed the 3 colors that I chosen. You can do yours however way you will want it. I would actually love to see what colors you guys chose. I am always like to connect with you guys in that way. So that's what I chose. Now let's get on to the straps. So this bag is only made up of the body of the bag and the straps because we need to get to the beach, you guys. And we need to make our bags as fast as we can so we can get out there and have some fun. So this is the body, and I'll put all the measurements in because it doesn't fit all the way in the frame. But I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you, how long and wide mine was. And let's get on to the straps. And I cannot say that word, you guys. I don't know why, but I cannot. If I go slow, straps. There we go. So on to the straps, you guys. Let me just clear this out and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here is the straps to the bag. So right here, I actually did one already. I'll do that later. So for the straps, this one right here, which is the base, I actually chained. Now this is a single crochet. I did single crochet right here, and this one I chained 6, And then in the second chain from the hook, you get 5. Okay, so this is just back and forth, going all the way down, you know, into the length. And like I said before, I'll put everything in description box for you guys. And then this one right here, because I wanted the straps to have a little bit more stability to them, but also look really cute and fashionable. So I created another one. Now this one right here is chain 4, and you're going to put the your hook in the second chain from the hook, and it's going to give you 3. Okay, so you're going to be doing 3 back and forth all the way down. And let me show you how perfect this fit in here. This fits so nice. I have to cut that. So I'll turn it around because I have to cut that. So look how perfect do that fit. I have one, I stitched one up already, and I'll show you how I stitched it. And I decided to go with different colors. So I thought that would be really pretty for our bag. So this is the straps right here. So this fits in here like this. And then this is the straps. How cute is that, huh? So I already sewed one together, and it goes all the way down. And like I said, I will put the length in there for you guys of the straps. And they're this long for a reason, because we're starting at the middle of the bag. I'll show you. And then from the bottom of the bag, and then we're going all the way up. And so I love the way this looks, where this fit in here, and then you still have this color on the outskirts of this strap, which looks so nice. So let me show you